Hi YouTube, this is DMV Butterfly, and this is I'm going to call it brunch. It's about 10:30 on Saturday. I got finished with my walk, did a few things. As you can see from my fish, I have already started to eat. I'm going to tell you guys what this is. That's half a piece of tilapia that I put some tandoori sauce on. If anybody eats Indian food, I made some tandoori sauce or marinade to do some chicken, and I put it on a piece of fish last night and marinated it, and I put it under the broiler. And then I did spinach. And with the spinach, I put a little bit of sesame oil. I put too much on it trying to do some flavor. So ended up putting some soy sauce on it. So I have Indian flavored fish and Asian flavored spinach. But anyway, I also put fresh garlic and fresh ginger on the spinach. And then I have a fruit salad with just pineapple and strawberries. And the pineapple looked kind of pinkish because, of course, the juice from the strawberries bled on them. So I'm still on my weight loss journey, of course, still doing well. This is my breakfast brunch, and I'll see you guys later.